Bulgarian AB 3,000 euros net plus Italian social security to embark 1418. If you are a Bulgarian AB sailing under a cruise or sailing under a flag of convenience or even fishing fleet, but as emigrant, you need to pay some 50 euros and ITER assistance. In Spain is 6, and then also the pension, which is option to pay, which is the minimum and the maximum. In Spain is from 300 to 700. In Bulgaria is about 350. So total is 400 euros. This proposal is for Italian flagships. You don't need English, so like and subscribe, pass through all these ABs groups in Bulgaria. We're talking about 22 roros and 55 passenger ships, total 77 ships, times 10 seafarers, ABs each, so 770 jobs plus 40% home. 1,300 Bulgarian ABs are required. If you have certification 2.4 or 2.5 STCW, apply, like and subscribe. And thank you very much indeed for investing in yourself. Also, you have the unemployment rights, which, as you know, in Italy is 2 years unemployment. Therefore, at the beginning it will be 4 months on, 2 off, so not continuity in the contracts, but later with the company, such a huge company, and possibilities of promotion, stability and financial stability, and such a big company, you will be able to accrue these rights, get these rights. So thank you very much indeed for your time, and hope that we get applications of 1,300 ABs 1300 from Bulgaria, so we can really get united and improve the social cover of all Bulgarian ABs with the sanitary assistance, the pension, and most important of all, you can calculate in this today. It's very easy with AI to ask how much is the unemployment rights under Italian flag, and there is 150 pages collective bargaining agreement. Everything is in Italian, so we will send to you the company format to fill the CV, curriculum vitae, then crew inspector below, please fill it, then also the Italian basic language, and then the codice fiscale, which is the number so that you are employed under Italian labor conditions and contract directly by the ship owner. Thank you very much indeed for your time. Hope you really get Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. I hope this proposal covering the social security is very important for you, because Bulgarian ABs are excellent. You need to have experience on board the Ropax or Roro ships, and if you do know all your friends around, you have experience with them and sailed with them. Also, if there is a possibility some of you want to go up to officers, same thing, after 2 contracts, we can study possibility of promotion. Thank you, bye.